So since I've had the Tesla, I haven't really known where to put the charger. This is the Electron charger. Made a video about it a while ago on how I installed it, and I love it. It works amazing. The problem is, when I go to set it back, I typically just put it on top of this thing here and hope that it just stays there. Or I just throw it on the floor and forget about it. So what if there was a better place to put it? That's why I got this. I saw it on Amazon and was like, yo, I could totally do with something like this. It's literally just like a wall mount for the charger. Like, this thing attaches to the wall, it slides in place, and then it just holds your charger. I'm gonna go ahead and install this and see how it looks. So I'm trying to figure out where the best place to put this is, and this is where I normally set it. I figured if we had it right here, just hanging, it'd be much better. So I think this is where I'm gonna go. So let's just go ahead and screw in. Now that's on, we just slide this in. Look at that. So now, cable goes on top. This slides in. Oh, and it doesn't fit. Haha, it's not meant for this one. Man, that's embarrassing. But you know what? It's still better than where I had it. I can just throw it up here now, and it looks better, right? Then I can just take it off, plug it in, and be done with it. And then when I'm leaving, I can just unplug it, throw it up here, and be done. I'm gonna have to look at some options to see if there's a better one that fits for it. Or maybe I could just like cut a piece out at the top here so that it fits in, because it looks like what's going on with this Electron charger is that it curves up and it's not completely straight like the factory one, so it gets stuck right there. So maybe just cut out a piece of the plastic so that it can slide in, and then it actually hooks in with that little hook. So I don't know. Stay tuned. We'll see if I do that. I'm getting really cold, so I'm gonna go back inside. If you have the factory Tesla charger, good option. Aftermarket, maybe try something else. Peace.